Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Para Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Great. Wonderful. Great. So, how is everyone? How are you?
Everyone is, I think, fine.
Yeah, great, great. All well, all is well. मुर्गी क्या जाने अंडे का क्या होगा लाइफ मिलेगी या तवे पे फ्राई होगा होठ घुमा सीटी बजा के बोल भैया ऑल इज वेल ग्रेट so so I just wanted to see what understand a little more about our state of mind, our life. How do we relate to saying that, remembering I am this? I was reading on something about a story of Hanuman today. So apparently, he उसके जो powers है, the powers of Hanuman, he was very, very naughty and uncontrollable when he was a child. So he used to bother a lot of rishis who were trying to do their meditation and tapasya, and he would go and create all kinds of mischief over there with them. So what happened is, all the rishis, they went and made a request to the Lord and said कि भाई इसका कुछ ये वानर का कुछ करो, इसमें इतनी शक्ति ज्यादा है, हम उसको तो कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाते हैं और उसमें बहुत ज्यादा ही पावर्स है. You all know this story of Hanuman.
Yes, yes, sir.
Some of you know this story. Okay, okay. So what happened is, Vishnu came and said that, listen, ये जो powers उसको मिले हैं, वरदान में मिले हैं, I cannot take away the powers. That I cannot do because they have been granted, and that's it. I cannot take them away. But what I can do is, वो echo है कहाँ पे, तो दो दो line है. हाँ, you are able to hear, Purushottam ji? You are hearing?
Yeah, yeah, no,
Okay,
I
हाँ,
can.
okay. So he said, I can only do one thing. I cannot take away the powers, so I will make him forget that he has all these powers. He won't remember only that he has these powers. That I can do. And he won't remember unless he's reminded at a particular, at an appropriate time. Uska jab ठीक समय होगा, जब उसके पावर की जरूरत है सच में, तभी उसको कोई याद दिलाएगा, तभी उसको याद आ सकता है, वरना ये भूल जाएगा. So he gave that blessing to Hanuman, and then from that point on, Hanuman forgot that he has all these powers. He is the son of Vayu. He can jump, hundreds of miles and do. He almost gobbled up the sun, thinking it's an orange. Utna power tha usme. So, and by the way, they say that he's Chiranjeevi, he's immortal. So, like, unlike all the other avatars of Vishnu and all who come for a limited time, Hanuman is Chiranjeevi. So, he's supposed to be still there on the planet, on the earth. And there are some special mantras which you can invoke Hanuman and have darshan of Hanuman. But anyway, so he forgot that he has all these powers. And so then when they went to rescue Sita, the whole army, and Sri Ram, Lakshman, and one bear, half man. I'm forgetting his name. Rashmi ji याद है वो क्या नाम था वो जो जनभव या जन
Jatayu.
न जटायु नहीं, जटायु was the bird. The
Jambuvat,
हाँ
Jambuvat,
हाँ जानबूवर,
Jambu,
जाम्बूवर, right.
Jambuvat.
जाम्बूवत, जाम्बूवत.
Yes.
Jamant.
हाँ वो अलग अलग थोड़े नाम है, बट JM से शुरू होता है.
Yes.
So anyway, they were at the edge of the ocean and they said कि अभी ये पूरा ये जो दरिया है उसको पार करेंगे तो लंका आएगी, और लंका में जाएंगे तो हमें मिलेगा रावण की लंका मिलेगी, और वहां पे हम अपना हम सीता जी को रेस्क्यू कर सकेंगे. तो लेकिन यहाँ से वहां जाना कैसे है, जाएंगे कैसे? तो then Hanuman is reminded that listen, he's reminded of this story, and this Jamvar or Jambuvar reminds him. He says, listen, you are the son of Vayu. For you to jump from here to there is nothing. You can increase yourself to any size that you want. There is no limits to your power and ability. और उसको ये आत्मस्मरण हो जाता है कि मैं कौन हूँ actually. And then he remembers, and he, of course, then he's gets all his powers back, and he takes one leap and goes across and finds out, and the rest of the Ramayana story you know. But point is that we are in also in a very very similar situation. The the last instruction to us, by when we are taking this limited form, the instruction to us was कि तुम भूल जाओगे कि तुम
It's
असलियत में
powerful. है.
कितने पावरफुल है, वो आप भूल जाएंगे, और जब भी आपको जरूरत पड़ेगी तब याद आएगा. तो as all of us are seekers of truth, we want to understand the truth, we want to understand reality, तो हमें जरूरत है. तो ये कंडीशन मिल गई है, और मैं अभी ये वो जाम्बूवर का रूप लेके आप सबको याद दिला रहा हूँ. कि आप जो अब सपन समझते हैं अपने आप को, वो आप नहीं हो. आप असल में एक प्रतिबिंब हो, एक लिमिटेड कॉन्ट्रैक्शन हो ऑफ द इन्फिनिट पावर्स, इन्फिनिट कॉन्शियसनेस, इन्फिनिट अवेयरनेस, और वही आपका सही में आपका वो रूप है. और आंख बंद करके आप याद कर लो उस रूप को. और याद करके अब जितना बड़ा छलांग लगाना है जीवन में लगाओ. You are capable, you are able, you are empowered. You have the ultimate and infinite power to be who you really are. And the only thing in the way between you and that is to remember, who am I really? I cannot be this body, I cannot be these thoughts, I cannot be this ID, I cannot be this wealth, I cannot be this clothes, I cannot be my beliefs. So I must be this other thing which is having all of these things. And that which is having all of these things is the source of everything. And all things are possible for it. And I can be that. एंड ये जो हमारे चैलेंजेस है, मैंने आपने ही अपने आप ये सर्जाए है फॉर हैविंग दिस चैलेंज. हनुमान ऑल्सो हैड द चैलेंज, रेस्क्यू सीता, डिफीट रावण, असुरों का वश करो.
21,680.
तो so your challenges are your challenges, but normally हम कैसे जीते हैं कि हमें ये challenges नहीं चाहिए. So we are going to do one experiment now. Okay, so I'm going to put you in breakout rooms and I'm going to give you now instructions on what you will do in those breakout rooms. Okay, so you will be either 2 in one room or 3 in one room. I will see how it pairs up. And you are going to just introduce yourself to each other. I mean, everyone knows mostly everyone, but आपके partner को आपके life में जो top 3 challenges, problems, issues, क्या परेशान करता है आपको लाइफ में, 3 चीजें, टॉप 3. पूरा राम कहानी नहीं, डिटेल में जाना है तो जा सकते हैं थोड़ा सा. अब अगर पर्सनल है या मतलब तो मोटा मोटी क्या है, व्हाट इज द इश्यू, रिलेशनशिप विद माय वाइफ, और आई हैव मनी प्रॉब्लम्स. एंड इफ यू वांट टू गो इनटू डिटेल, इफ यू feel free to describe in as much detail as you want your problems. We are going to solve all your challenges today. Okay, that is the whole goal of this experiment. Okay, so आपका जो challenges है वो आप share करो आपके partner के साथ. And after, and then I will open the breakout rooms and you will return back to the common one. So I'm going to create breakout rooms. Create, कितने लोग हैं, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we'll create, if we create 3 rooms, 3 rooms, assign order 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 6 6. Okay, that's good. So I'm going to 2 to 3 participants will be there in each room, and just share your top 3 issues in life. Okay, ready? समझ गए क्या करना है? Avinash, you are there?
Yes, yes, Sanju, I am here. Yeah.
Okay, fine. Okay, so you
Sorry,
understood.
Sanjeev bhai, I just joined you. 1 minute, I've got went to the kitchen. Could you tell me क्या करना है अभी? Sorry.
So आप,
Sorry.
you know, it's okay. You'll go into one room with either 1 or 2 more people who are your partners, and you are going to share turn by turn
Okay.
what are your top 3 problems in life. Top 3 problems, whatever it is, in any area,
Okay. Okay.
all
Okay.
areas, just
Okay.
thought in as much or as little detail as you feel comfortable. Okay, ready? और breakout room में जाएंगे 5-10 मिनट के बाद मैं आपको वापस यहाँ ले आऊंगा. Just join the room, join your own rooms. हाँ, जो रूम आपको असाइन किया है उसको क्लिक करिए. राजेश, join room 3. You have to join room 3. Yeah, कोई बात नहीं, चलो. So my conclusion, you all have shared your challenges. I'm just repeating for the purpose of the recording. You've all shared your individual challenges in the areas of health, money, relationships. ये वो सबका अपना अपना problem है. But now when I'm asking any of you want to trade your problem, exchange any one of your problem with anyone else's problem, all of you are saying no, big no. मेरा प्रॉब्लम मुझे मुबारक, मुझे ठीक है, मुझे ही चाहिए, मेरे को दूसरे का एक्सचेंज नहीं करना है. Is that 100% true? Yes, everyone is saying no matter how big or small, you would rather keep your own problems. Beautiful. This is a very, very interesting learning for all of us. જયસુખ ભાઈ તમે લેટ આવ્યા, વાંધો નહીં, ચલો. તો જયસુખ ભાઈ, you can hear?
Yes, જય ગુરુદેવ.
જય ગુરુદેવ. તો અહીંયા બધાએ પોતપોતાના પ્રોબ્લેમ શેર किए हैं रिलेशनशिप में, फाइनेंस में, हेल्थ में, ऐसा सब खुद का अलग अलग प्रॉब्लम है. आपके
बराबर.
पास भी एक दो प्रॉब्लम तो होएगा ही लाइफ में, सबके
हाँ,
पास तो होता है.
એ
तो
થોડા
आपको आपका कोई भी प्रॉब्लम एक्सचेंज करना है किसी के साथ,
हाँ हाँ, एक
उसका
થોડો-
प्रॉब्लम ले लो और आपका प्रॉब्लम उसको दे दो, चलेगा?
नहीं ऐसा तो चले.
ऐसा तो नहीं करने का.
प्रॉब्लम ऐसा है,
हाँ,
मैं ज्यादा एक्टिव हूँ.
मैं ज्यादा एक्टिव हूँ. किसी को
हाँ.
ज्यादा एक्टिव बनने का है? नहीं, नहीं चाहिए. कोई ट्रेड करने को तैयार नहीं है.
बराबर.
और क्योंकि आपको एक्टिव में से शांत अगर होना है तो आपको उनका कोई एक आध प्रॉब्लम लेना पड़ेगा. जैसे आपकी माँ बीमार है और आपको उसका देखभाल करना है, या फिर आपको एक्सप्रेस करने में आपको दिक्कत होती है, फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम्स है तो चाहिए तो मिल सकता है. फिर और क्या है, आपकी बहू और बेटे का जमता नहीं है, वो भी मिल सकता है. कोई भी चाहिए उसमें से?
नहीं, कुछ नहीं है.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं
ज्यादा
चाहिए.
active हुए चल ये चाहिए कोई ऐसा होता.
ये कोई नहीं है जो आपको चाहिए. So this is the interesting experiment and learning. This is the first time I've also done this, but I'm sure in no matter what size of group we will do this in or how many people we will ask, if you go through this exercise, nobody will want to trade their problem with anyone else's. जो मेरा है वो ठीक है, उसको मैं फोड़ूंगा, मैं निभालूंगा, मैं कुछ भी करूंगा, मेरे को दूसरे का एक्सचेंज नहीं करने का है.
ठीक.
So what is the conclusion of this? What is the learning? What is the understanding? What is your new relationship with your problems? What is the conclusion?
टेढ़ा है पर मेरा है.
टेढ़ा है पर मेरा है.
दुनिया में कितना गम है, मेरा गम फिर भी कम है.
फिर भी कम है.
औरों का गम देखा तो मैं अपना गम भूल गया.
वंडरफुल. सो नो
पुरुषोत्तम
मैटर.
जी,
हाँ,
मैंने सेम टाइम पे वही गाना टाइप भी हो गया.
या
दोनों को
ये आपको दोनों ने वही बात बताई. मैंने ये गाना नहीं सुना है, बट इट इज अप्रोप्रिएट. Perfect. So the interesting thing, guys, interesting insight all of you can have from this is what is your new relationship with your problem? That is what I want to know. One line. What is your new relationship with your challenge and your problem, your issue? What is the state of that relationship now that you know this? टेढ़ा है पर मेरा है, टेढ़ा है पर मेरा है. टेढ़ा मेढ़ा है. और मेरा मुझे पसंद है. Isn't it? मेरा प्रॉब्लम मुझे पसंद है. Wow, I mean this is a revelation. I am okay with, I am fine with my problem. Whatever this challenge is, I am okay with it because that's what suits me. So imagine that the conclusion we can also draw is that really, like Hanuman, we have this power. I mean, imagine that all of you have created challenges in your life according to your own liking and according to your own ruchi. उस हिसाब से आपने प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट किया है लाइफ में. आपकी खुद की लाइफ में. Imagine how powerful you are. Can you imagine how powerful beings you are, that you're not just able to create the things that you want, but even the things that you so called don't want, you have created according to your requirement. It is fantastic.
अरे
Fantastic.
कस्टमाइज प्रॉब्लम है.
कस्टमाइज प्रॉब्लम है. खुद ने आपने अपने आप के लिए कस्टमाइज करके बनाया है. और आपको ये प्रॉब्लम को अब क्या करेंगे? आप गले लगाइए इस प्रॉब्लम को अब. हाँ, आपका जो प्रॉब्लम है, ये मेरा वाला प्रॉब्लम कितना अच्छा है. कितना अच्छा है. मुझे यही पसंद है. मुझे कोई नहीं चाहिए, मेरा वाला ही है. इट इज लाइक दैट, अकबर बिरबल स्टोरी वेयर यू हर्ड ना, कि वो अकबर से बीरबल को चैलेंज देता है कि फाइंड मी द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल चाइल्ड इन 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 दिल्ली. जो सबसे खूबसूरत बच्चा है वो मुझे लाके दिखाओ. I want to know who that is. And you heard this story, and Birbal comes the next day. Ne-
चला लो 6 मिनट.
Mute कीजिए please.
अविनाश,
Yeah, so next day Birbal walks in with this child in his arms, and this child is dirty. His nose is running. His hair is disheveled. His one eye is crooked, and all that. Dirty clothes. Like this is this child he brings and puts in front of Akbar and says, Akbar ji, jahan pana, yahi Delhi ka sabse khoobsurat bachcha hai. And the whole court is looking at this child and saying, what, ye Birbal pagal ho gaya hai kya? And then suddenly this woman rushes into the court saying, अरे मेरा बच्चा किसी ने देखा, किधर गया मेरा खूबसूरत, मेरा लाडला, मेरा प्यारा बच्चा किधर गया? मैं कब से ढूंढ रही हूँ उसे. मैं उसके बिना एक पल भी नहीं रह सकती. अरे कोई तो बताओ मुझे, ये मेरा बच्चा है किधर? So you got the message, right? The for the mother, this child, no matter how it is, it's the most beautiful thing. The most beautiful creature on the whole planet is this. So this is the relationship now you can have with your own challenge in your life. This challenge which you have been carrying around till yesterday or till before this today's meeting as a burden, as a big thing. अरे बाप रे, ये मेरा burden है, मेरे सर कंधे पर ये रखा है. वो कंधे पे से उठा के उस प्रॉब्लम को अब गोद में बिठाओ, क्योंकि उसी से आप प्यार करते हो. वो ही आपका सबसे प्यारा बच्चा है. ये प्रॉब्लम जो आपने पाला है, पोसा है, बड़ा किया है, उसको कंधे पे से उठा के गोद में बिठाओ, प्यार दो. और क्योंकि प्यार है, आपने देख लिया, प्रूव हो गया, वो प्रॉब्लम आप किसी को देना नहीं चाहते. और उसके बदले में कोई भी आप लेना नहीं चाहते, क्योंकि उसका मतलब क्या है कि यही प्यारा है आपको. वंडरफुल. सो उसको कंधे पे से उठा के गोद में बिठाओ, प्यार करो, उसके साथ रहो, और देखो वो उसका क्या हो जाता है. जब कंधे से उठाकर चैलेंज को गोद में बिठाते हो और प्यार देते हो, तो क्या मैजिक, क्या मिरेकल, क्या ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हो सकता है उस बच्चे में. I mean, imagine your own child. Supposing you have a naughty child and you constantly are berating that child, maybe punishing that child, angry with that child, don't want this child, ये कैसा बच्चा है, मुझे नहीं चाहिए. Do you think this child is ever going to change? Or he's going to become more and more like stubborn and this and that? But the day that you take that naughty child in your lap and bring your love to that child and say that, oh, I love you so much. Now let me hear what are you about? What is your problem? What is the challenge? What is the issue? And for the first time, now that he's in your lap, he's willing to share with you कि डैडी मुझे ये इशू है, मुझे ये सता रहा है, मुझे ये हो रहा है. Now you can find a solution, because now this is available for whatever needs to happen next. I don't know what the solution to all your challenges are. I'm not here to tell you what that solution is. But when that challenge is sitting in your lap with love, with affection, and yes, okay, I accept that I don't have a financial knowledge. Okay, so what? I can hire somebody. I can, you know, sales can be handled by somebody else. Let me make the design so wonderful that it sells itself. Whatever. But as long as you're sitting with this, "Oh, I cannot do sales, I cannot do sales, मुझे sales पसंद नहीं है, मुझे आता नहीं है, मुझे करना भी नहीं है, लेकिन मुझे business बढ़ाना है." Till that time that thing is sitting, वो वेताल की तरह आपके कंधे पर चढ़ के बैठा हुआ है. उससे दोस्ती करेंगे आप, प्यार करेंगे, तब कुछ बात बनेगी. And in this, the same thing you can apply to all your challenges, whatever it is. Clear? Wonderful.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
Wonderful.
Very,
Thank you,
very
thank
good.
you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. This was just a, a flash, which I was just talking about uh, something else. And this, yesterday, actually, we were talking about yesterday's um, chat we had about, what was it about? What was yesterday about?
World, some world which is problem-free world.
Yeah. The problem-free world where there are no challenges. The bliss is everywhere. And that, uski baat kar rahe the, then that just triggered in my mind ki these problems that we do have, what about them? हाँ मीरा जी आपको कुछ बोलना है या?
Yes, I wanted to ask, like,
Yeah.
is there any situation like this? But we are we've got comfortable in that problem. I just want you to clarify that.
Yeah. That can also be true. It's the other way around.
Because we don't like to come out of our zone, that zone.
Correct.
We're used to. Is that clarify that point? I just
Yeah. You have a very good point. Very good point. बच्चे को आप कंधे पे बोझ लेके बिठा रहे हो या प्यार दे रहे हो या तीसरा पॉसिबिलिटी है बिगाड़ रहे हो उसको. बच्चे को बिगाड़ना भी एक बात होती है ना, पेरेंट्स ये भी करते हैं. मतलब प्रॉब्लम को बिगाड़ रहे हो क्या आप? मतलब आप उसके साथ उतने अभी वाकिफ हो गए हो, उतना आपको कंफर्ट है कि वो प्रॉब्लम चलो चलने ही दो क्योंकि मैं कंफर्टेबल हूं अब, और उसको बिगाड़ते हो मतलब उसको ही खिला रहे हो. वो प्रॉब्लम को और बढ़ाओ क्योंकि ये ठीक है मेरे लिए, मुझे कोई और प्रॉब्लम नहीं चाहिए.
There's one more issue, Sanjeev ji, I feel.
Yeah, sure.
Because of the problem, you're getting attention, and people love attention, and that is why they want to stick with the problem.
They get attached to the problem. We are talking about resolving or vaporizing or lightening the problem. So loving the problem is one thing, but if and that is also so true what you're saying. There's always a cost benefit to everything. You are gods in your universe. You don't do anything unless it makes sense. If you have a challenge that you've created in your life, somewhere at one level, there is a cost and there is a benefit also. And as long as the benefit is bigger than the cost, the problem will perpetuate and continue. So understanding and realizing at one point that the cost is actually bigger than the benefit. And when you realize that, then take this child in your lap and love it and find out what needs to be done. Very good. Great insights,
Sir,
great
sir,
points.
can I say something?
Yes, please.
Sir, yesterday's question was, there was a choice, whether this or that. And today's question is exchange.
Correct.
So if it is this or that, then definitely that. But if it is exchange, then no.
Correct.
Right?
वो yesterday वाली बात थी, ये आज वाली बात है. Yes.
So, अगर किसी को चाहिए प्रॉब्लम्स तो किसी को देने में गिविंग में प्रॉब्लम्स दे सकते हैं.
वो गिविंग को सबको तैयार है. ये भाई एक्सचेंज ब्यूरो है. सॉरी. exchange bureau hai. No.
If you give choice, then it is definitely the other way.
That's fine. That's yesterday जो बात की हमने. But the point and the message of this is not anything else but for you to understand that in reality your problem is according to you, is what you need, want, and have created in your life, because this is you. You have created an opportunity, for example, in your life, Sonalji, where you are physically expressing compassion and lovingness and care on a ongoing, like almost 24/7 basis.
Sir, how created? How created?
How created in the realm of everything is you. You
I am
are the
responsible, okay, but creation कैसा?
not created, not. चलो कल बात करेंगे उसकी. How are we responsible for everything? कल के लिए. अभी अभी आज का कार्यक्रम यही हम समाप्त करते हैं.
But today was
FM
very
Open.
enlightening, huh?
Thank you. I also enjoyed very much. Open Door FM, Open Door 98.3 पे हम आपके से विदा ले रहे हैं आज के लिए. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. सर्वे अपने अपने प्रॉब्लम से शांत और सुखी हो. सर्वे संतु निरामया. सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु. मा कश्चित् दुःख भाग् भवे. असतो मा सद्गमय. तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय. मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय. ओम शांति शांति शांति. हरि ओम तत्सत.
Thank you. I came at the right time.